Yeah, the first thing I noticed when I got this place was this mess. Why you couldn't get the right length? I mean, yeah, they come in a certain length, I get it, but these things are in rough shape. These go like, they just cup each other, and they must be welded in the middle. Well, both sides are rotten. This one's not bad, but this side, that one rotted it right off, and this one, so we got to do something about that. And what I got is some Simpson ties. Bang, bang. I got to do that side too. The ones that are on there are just cheap. They make better ones that are real strong. And I think that's what I would have done. But what do I know? Can you see with the sun? That one's like leaning. Jesus Christ. Anyway, so I'm going to put some caulking sealant around it too, because obviously we got water intrusion coming down from up there where the wasps like to build nests, so we should caulk all that too. I mean, my eyeballs is that straight. What did they do? Now, I mean, it's in the same spot here. I wouldn't be surprised if the deck was built wonky. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna pry this one off. I just broke it, and see if we can get these nails out without a tool. Probably will be able to because it's so rotten. You know, we don't want to lose those. So, nice land. You know, hopefully the wood is still, yeah, feels pretty good. Now we'll put this guy there. Now at least I have two. The other side I cocked, but I should get two more for the insides of this. Maybe ones that bend or something. And there you have it, folks. And you know, unless you live in the desert, you got to understand that moisture is going to just destroy this stuff. Why would you not? I mean, I guess they're relying on the paint to protect it, but I don't know. I would say caulking and then paint, my opinion. Aight.